Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear history on AliExpress application. Keep watching the video till the end. To clear history on AliExpress, firstly open up your AliExpress application. The home page of AliExpress application will appear on the screen. Tap on search box at the top of the screen. Here you can see the view history listed on the screen. To clear your view history, tap on a dustbin icon right next to your search history results. Confirm clearing your search history by tapping on yes. You can also delete your search history by turning off the viewed button. For that, you need to click on account button from the home page. On the next page, click on settings option at the top right side of the page. Under notification settings, tap on viewed option. Slide the slider of viewed option to the left side to turn it off. It will delete your viewing history and recently viewed items list automatically. This is how you can clear view history on AliExpress application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.